Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to edit contact info using NAMEDROP in iOS 18. In iOS 18 there's a new AirDrop feature that lets you exchange contact information with someone by touching two iPhones together called NAMEDROP. NAMEDROP allows you to simply hold your iPhone near their iPhone to swap contact details. NAMEDROP makes giving someone your contact details virtually effortless. Of course, if you don't like the idea of NAMEDROP, you can turn it off. To do this, first open the Settings app, tap through General, and then AirDrop. Next, toggle the switch next to bringing devices together on or off. Contact information is not shared automatically, and it is a user-initiated process that requires both people exchanging information to accept the transfer. You can choose the phone number and email address that you want to share with someone on the other end, and if someone is already in your Contacts app, it updates contact information. In addition, NAMEDROP works between two iPhones running iOS 17 and between an iOS 17 iPhone and an Apple Watch running watchOS 10. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.